Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, you'll learn how to set up the Technomart Wireless and Wi-Fi repeater using the WPS button. We'll walk you through the entire installation process, explain the function of each indicator light, and show you how to extend your existing Wi-Fi network. By the end of this tutorial, your repeater will be connected and ready to provide better wireless coverage throughout your home or office. Watch the full video and follow each step to complete the setup successfully. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the Technomart Wireless and Wi-Fi repeater into a power outlet near your router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure the power LED becomes stable. The Wi-Fi or WLAN indicator should begin blinking. This indicates that the repeater is ready for configuration. Now, find the WPS button on your router. The button may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi/WPS or WPS/reset. It is usually located on the back panel or on the side panel. Press the WPS button on the router for 2 to 3 seconds. After pressing the button, the WPS LED on the router should start blinking. The router will enter pairing mode. Most routers keep the WPS function active for about 2 minutes. During this time, another device can connect automatically. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the repeater. Hold it for 2 to 5 seconds. The WPS light on the repeater should begin flashing. Do not unplug either device. The router and repeater will now exchange network information automatically. Wait for about 30 to 90 seconds. The blinking light will stop and become solid. This means extender successfully connected or router Wi-Fi name password copied automatically. Now setup completed successfully. If the light turns red or keeps blinking for a long time, setup failed. After successful setup, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router the area where Wi-Fi signal is weak. Plug it into a wall socket. Open your phone Wi-Fi settings. You may see, same Wi-Fi name as router or Wi-Fi name with _ext added. Connect to it and check internet speed. If internet works normally, setup is successful. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.